I have here a mason jar vacuum sealer. Take everything out, show you what it comes with. Looks like it comes with some lids for you and 2 different sizes of a sealer top. Comes with a charging cord, a little piece to pop off the lids, and the sealer piece right here. So on the back here, it pushes open. It comes with these other attachment pieces right here. If you want to inflate any kind of balls or tubes, you can do that by attaching it to this top piece right here. All 3 of these pieces will work, and you can blow up balls or inner tubes or anything like that. The other thing you can use it for is to seal mason jars or food saver bags or even food saver containers. Super easy to do that. You'll just stick it on top and you'll seal it with this on top to suck out all the air. So I'll show you the different methods next. To use the jar, just put the lid on top. Then you're gonna push this down. And then I'm gonna take this, put it over top and turn it on. Then you can take it off and take this off, and then we can see if it's sealed. And you can see it's sealed. I'll even show you when I pop this off. You can hear the air release, so it did seal. So this worked just fine. So with the sealer bag, you just put it in the hole to suck the air out. And you can see it's sucking it out. It just takes a minute to get all the air out. And then once all the air's out, you just take it off and it will stay nice and sealed. So this mason jar vacuum sealer worked really well, very easy to use. I love it that it's multifunctional. You can use it really easily with the pieces on the back to pump things up if you need to. And you can use it on 2 different sizes of lids of the jar. So it's gonna work on the small and the large lids. So it's gonna be super easy to use, even on bags or even storage containers that have the little sealer part on top. So I'd recommend this to anyone that needs an easy vacuum sealer for their mason jars or sealer bags. It works super well and really easy to use.